So here we go. This is the final look of the chicken with spinach. You can see the bread over here as well. Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Faraz Ahmad. So in this video, I am going to show you people something new. You can see over here. So what is this? Yes, this is my kitchen shelf. And what I'm going to do is I am going to make chicken with spinach today. So before going to start this video properly, I'm going to show you the recipe ingredients today. So here you can see this is my cooking pan. And after this, I'm going to show you people ingredients of my. So yes, let's start. So first of all, I have taken two big size onions. And after the onion, I have taken ginger. This is the garlic. These are the green chilies. And I have taken almost 50 mils of the yogurt as well. These are the two tomatoes. Apart from this, I have taken this half kg of the spinach. And here you can see this is the 1 kilogram of the chicken over here. So this is 1 kg chicken and the half kg of the spinach. Apart from this, this is the salt. You can see this is the red chili powder and this is the haldi, which we call begum.
Turmeric powder.
Yeah, this is turmeric powder, and here you can see this is the dhania, what we call this?
Coriander powder.
Coriander powder. And apart from this, we have this mixed spice ground, and apart from this, we have this cumin, ground cumin, and we have crushed chilies, and apart from these, we have the chili powder as well. So these are the ingredients. So we are going to start our recipe today, and I am going to make what, as I told you, chicken with the spinach. So yes, first of all, I am going to turn on my flame. Here you can see, yes, it's working. And now I am going to do what I'm going to do is I will add almost half cup of the oil over here. Normally we use this type of the oil. So I have added the oil over here. You can see. So we'll warm your oil now on the full flame. Yeah, it's going to be warm now. Now I am going to add the onions. So here you can see I have added the onions over here. We'll fry these onions till they change into the golden brown color. Going to add the whole spices. You can see I am going to add, this is the zira, what we call begum this?
Cumin.
Cumin. And these are the what are these? इनको हम
Black
कहते हैं
pepper.
काली मिर्चें.
Black
Okay.
pepper.
And I don't know what is this. I'm going to add this one as well.
Cinnamon.
And what is this begum? You can say this is the long and badi lychee. I'm gonna mix it, and we will keep going until these onion changes into golden brown color. And in the meantime, wash your chicken pieces and get them ready to put in the cooking pan. So guys, now I am gonna add this chicken in the onions, and after adding the chicken in the onion, what I will do, I will thoroughly mix them, and you have to mix them and you have to cook them until your chicken is going to change the color. So guys, here you can see this chicken has changed its color, and now after once your chicken change color, then what you have to do, you have to add the garlic, the ginger, and the green chilies. And after adding these things, what you are gonna do, you are gonna fry this again. Okay, so I have added all the things. Now I am gonna mix them, and after mixing, I will further fry. You know what? These ginger and the garlic, these help in removing the smell of the chicken. Okay, so once you will add, just cook it for 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, and this will help in removing the smell of your chicken. So okay guys, here I am washing this spinach, and here you can see this is very easy. Please wash your spinach very well, very well, and you have to wash it 2 or 3 times. So you can see here we have washed the spinach, and now we will add the spinach to our dish, to our chicken. You can see over here, so this is the current shape of our dish. So we are going to add these spices in the chicken, and my wife is going to tell you people the name of these spices.
1 tablespoon of salt. 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder. Half tablespoon of turmeric powder. 2 tablespoon of ground coriander. And half tablespoon of cumin powder.
So I'm gonna add these spices in the chicken over here. You can see, okay. So I have added these spices, and now what? I am gonna mix them. Okay, so in this way, guys, you have to mix them thoroughly. Okay, and keep mixing and keep cooking. Keep mixing, keep mixing. It will change color and it will change the shape as well. So keep doing this. So guys, here you can see the shape of our chicken after we have added these spices. And before these spices stick to the pan, what we are going to do, we are going to add these 2 tomatoes. So these are the medium sized tomatoes. Now I am going to add these tomatoes. So here we go, we will add the tomato, and what we will do, this tomato will release some water in this, and it will prevent the sticking of the spices to the pan. Okay, So this is the way you have to mix the tomato in it and keep going. So here guys, you can see that I have mixed the tomatoes with the chicken. I have lowered the flame of my stove as well. So after this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover my pan, and after covering, what will happen, because these tomatoes will release their water and they will get soft and they will also produce some gravy as well. So what you have to do, mix tomatoes, and after this lower the flame and cover the lid for up to 3 to 5 minutes. So we will open this after 5 minutes. 5 minutes has been elapsed now, and we are gonna remove the lid, and here you can see the steam over here. Now you can see the tomatoes are very soft, and we are gonna make it. And these tomatoes will they will change into the gravy now. So we are gonna mix them. So here we go, almost mixed. And if they are not, the tomatoes which were on the surface, if they are not mixed, they will mix in rest of the time. So here we go guys, you can see over here, like if you want to make chicken karahi, this is ready, but we are going to add spinach in it. So before adding the spinach, what I'm going to do is I am going to add this yogurt in my karahi. Okay, so if you want to take chicken karahi, you can finish this recipe over here and you can finish your cooking over here. So if you want to make just chicken karahi, but we are going to add spinach as well in this chicken. Okay, so after this, just mix this yogurt in your chicken karahi, which is ready if you want to use it. But as I told you, we will add spinach in it. Just keep watching the video. So you can see over here, I have mixed the yogurt well, and you can see this oil is getting separated. So once this oil is getting separated from the chicken and from the yogurt, this is the time to add the spinach. And now I am going to add the spinach. Please keep in mind, we have cut this spinach into very small pieces. If you will add the large pieces of the spinach, what will happen? The taste will be little different. So in this way, you will add the spinach over here in the chicken, and you can see this is the spinach which I have added. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix all the spinach with the chicken which we have already cooked. Okay, so it may be a little bit difficult, but we have to do it. So here we go, you can see over here, we have mixed the chicken well with the spinach. So once you have mixed the chicken well with the spinach, what you have to do, you have to again lower down the flame to the lowest level. So I have lowered down the flame to the lowest level, and what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna cover it for at least 15 minutes. You know, now what will happen in 15 minutes, the spinach will leave the water, and this water will help in getting cooked the spinach. So in these 15 minutes, when we will remove the lid, this spinach and the chicken mix recipe will be ready to eat. So I will show you in 15 minutes now. So these 15 minutes are very, very important. You can utilize these 15 minutes in different things. Like for example, you can make salad in these 15 minutes. You can set the table, or you can do other things like I am doing in this video. What I am doing here is I am kneading the flour to make a dough, which is very important for making the chapatis as well. So in the meantime, when my dish will be ready, so I will be done with the dough as well. So these 15 minutes are key, and you can use in different things. Okay guys, I'm gonna open the lid now. Yes, you can see the color. I think that this is ready to eat now. All the water is dried up now, and here you can see this is just the oil on the sides. Okay, so there is no water in it. It's been done now. It's final. We can eat this, and I can smell. It smells so good. The smell is very good, and I am hopeful that it turns out to be delicious as well. So please keep in mind, this is my first cooking, and I am hoping the taste will be very delicious as well. So you can see the final shape. This is the final shape of the chicken with the spinach. And if you want to make this, you can follow this recipe. Hopefully this will be very good, and this recipe will help you in making a very delicious dish as well. So if you have any question regarding this dish, you can ask me in the comments box. You can follow me on the Instagram. You can ask me there as well. Thank you very much guys for watching this video.